So hello everyone. This time I want to show you how you can use the hide variable function, so that can be effective when you get a total of a scale variable, especially when you need to recode the one variable, so you will not have a confusion with this. So I want to show you first the variable section, and you can hide the all variables you don't use for the moment. So that can make the visual more manageable. So yeah, here, and then you can go back to data, and we have only the 4 items for the one scale variable. So we can work with this. So for instance, motivation to this item should be flipped. So, and then you can get a total. So in that case, when you go to the variable section, you know already how you do it, but I will explain again. And here you can say the recode number 2, and the number and the calculation, and you will choose the motivation 2 and the multiply by -1, and this is a bracket, and you will here the plus the measure is the measurement of the Richter scale plus 1. So in this case, it was the 5 scale of a Richter scale. So you will add 1, so it will be a 6. And okay. So now you can go back to data, and we have here recorded number 2, the motivation 2. So you can verify here 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 1, 5. Okay, so everything is correctly done. And now we want to have a total of these 4 items without having the confusion. So you can use that option with the variables, and then you will just to hide the motivation 2. So we will have only 1, 3, 4, and recorded 2. So when you go back to data, so we have only this, and then we will have the total here. So in the variables, again, now we have another variable with the total motivation, okay, and number, and calculate number 1, 3, and 4, and record. So you can see you don't have the option to choose a motivation 2, so there will be no confusion. Okay, and in the data, so you can have this total, so you can verify that everything correctly done, and you don't have any confusion with the original variable motivation 2, because we hide it. Okay, so this is the function I wanted to show you, so I hope this will be useful. Thank you.